Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I'll show you 3 techniques for creating a dimensional design using a simple V-format pop-up approach. So let's take a closer look. This first example mailed in a translucent envelope, and you can see right away the water droplet pattern showing through and the unique shape of the mailer that catches your attention. Open it up and an umbrella expands with the message, "Are you prepared for life's storms?" The pop-up section extends past the top edge, and you can see that there are 5 scores working together accordion style to make the umbrella. As it folds down, it looks like a W. Sometimes you can make your concept work with the angled corner like we just saw, but there are times when you really want or need all 4 squared corners. Here's a dynamic self-mailing solution with an exciting asymmetrical V pop-up that is created by adding 2 more panels and then folding them up from the bottom and gluing them. The pop-up is die cut, and instead of being scored, they used perforation to release the pressure and remove some bulk. And the result is a really smooth-moving large pop-up design that folds completely flat. Here's one more idea to consider, building on the previous concept of the extra 2 panels folding up from the bottom and gluing to create the pop-up. This design features an additional panel on the left and a shortened panel on the right for a gatefold opening with a custom sticker to seal. Open it up and a small V pop-up with a flag extension moves into place. Simple, clever, and distracting. One thing I wanted to show you is that their production is a little different. Instead of using perforation, they cut a small channel where the score would be to reduce bulk. Pop-ups need structure. They don't work with wimpy paper, but they can get bulky, so this is just another way to release the pressure so that the piece opens easily and folds completely flat. All of these examples were die cut and hand folded, and samples 2 and 3 were also glued. All were produced with cover weight coated stock as well. Each of these designs is unique, dimensional, and eye-catching in its own way. So grab some paper and play around with a few V-format pop-up designs. You may be surprised with what you come up with. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.